Now our next example is if I have two Word documents open at the same time. One is this, which you can find in the link of this video. You can just download and follow along. And second one is the letter which we have recently created. Now if I want to see both of these documents at the same time, how can we do this? Normally you have to switch windows by pressing alternate tab to go on the second document. But if you want to see both of these on the same screen, then firstly make sure both of documents are open. Then go to view and click side by side. Now remember, if both of these documents are open, only then you can see this option, otherwise it will be disabled like this one. So just click on view side by side and immediately you will see that two Word documents is separated and you can see both of them on the same screen. Now if you notice, if I scroll this one, the second document automatically gets scrolled. That's because when you click on side by side, there is an option just under that, synchronize scrolling. So by default it is synchronized, but when I click on this again, it will disable the synchronization. I can just scroll it separately and scroll this one separately. So this is one option that you can use. Now if you want to go back to the one document like Lee letter, I'll just close this other one and I'll go back on one document screen. Now similarly, there are some cases where the document has multiple pages involved and you want to split the document between half and then scroll the lower portion separately and upper portion separately to read the top and compare it with the bottom at the same time. So for that option, go to view and click split. Remember, this is on a single document, not the multiple ones. Just click split and here I can scroll the bottom of the document separately and top separately. It is not exactly just bottom or top. You can see a complete document in the bottom and on the top, but you can scroll between the portions of a large document. So this makes it very easy to read and compare anything. Just click remove split to go back on the original position. So these are some of the reading functions of Word document.